Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do some twists in my hair because I just need a cute little quick protective style and I'm tired of braids. So I'm gonna try to do twists and add like some little boho pieces. I found some cute little hair at the hair store. So I'm gonna use that. But yeah, I don't really know what to call this because we come up with a new name for stuff like every other week. Like, is it boho twist, island twist, Senegalese twist, twist with curls? I don't know. So that's what we're doing today. So I've already gone ahead and blow dried and sectioned my hair. So I have 5 sections in my hair. I just think it helps me to kind of see where I'm at and how much I have left to do. So I'm probably gonna do the back and then I'll come back and show y'all how to do it in the front. Hey y'all, so I've pretty much already done my whole head and all I have left are these 3 pieces right in the front. So I'm gonna show y'all how I've been doing this and then we'll curl it and boil it and all that stuff. Why'd the lights just go out? All the power just went out. Cool. Okay, so I basically do this the same way that I would do knotless braids. So I have 7 strands of hair here that I've gone ahead and separated, and that's what I'm gonna use to like feed in to my braid twist. And then I also have my little curly pieces over here. Sorry, it's dark. I put Shine and Jam on the end of this just to like hold it together. And so I'll feed that piece in too. So I go back in with Shine and Jam on the root of the hair piece that I'm going to start with. And then because I don't like for my hair to feel like dry and brittle after I take out my protective styles, I do a lot to moisturize during my protective styling. So I'm using Donna's Recipe Creamy Hair Cream and then also the hair and scalp oil. So I start with the hair cream and then put the oil over the top of it. And then I smooth all of that through. And then I will begin to braid the root. So I just split it into 3 pieces. I start braiding and then I'll start adding in my pieces of hair as I go. So once I stitch, you'll see my index finger come through and I always grab from that index finger after it goes through. So you'll see here I stitch and then once that index finger comes back through, I'll add another piece of hair in and then I'll just keep doing that. So every time I add in 2 pieces of quonnaleshae and then on the 3rd piece is when I add in my curly piece of hair and then I'll just flip that out of the way so that it doesn't get caught with the rest of the hair and then I'll just proceed with adding more quonnaleshae pieces in the same way that I've been doing it. So I do that about 4 to 5 pieces of quonnaleshae and then I'll split the hair into my 2 pieces to actually start doing the twist. So here I'm breaking it into 2 and then I usually smooth down my hair with more of that Shine and Jam just so that everything's smooth until my hair is completely hidden and then I'll keep adding pieces of hair as I twist. So the important thing here is to twist in opposite directions and then cross over. So you'll see as I keep going that I kind of roll the pieces of hair in each finger and then I'll cross them over. So I roll, I cross over, I roll, and I cross over. So you'll just keep seeing me do that until I get to the end. Okay, once I get down most of the length of the twist, I split it into 3 pieces and I braid it. Just a few stitches, probably like 6 to 8 times, just to help kind of keep it together. And then I'll leave it alone because I'm gonna curl these. So 2 more. So I'm gonna do the same process, Shine and Jam on the root. The power just came back on. Okay, now that we have some light back. So I've put my Shine and Jam on the root. I put my extra creamy hair cream on the shaft and then the hair oil over the top. Now I'm gonna split this into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Start to braid. And then I'm gonna pick up my first piece, stick it in there, stitch it. Second piece. My 3rd piece is gonna be my curly strand that I've put the Dew or Shine and Jam on. Stick it in there. Flip that over there. Braid it in. 3rd piece. Stick it in. Stitch. 4th piece. Stick it in. Stitch. Then I'm gonna bring this over. Then I'm gonna go ahead and split my braid into just 2 pieces. I'm gonna put Shine and Jam just right over where my hair is. Then we're gonna keep adding pieces. So 1 piece, and I'll just join them together. Twist in the same direction, but then cross over. Add another piece, just right there, and twist. And then you're just gonna keep twisting the 2 strands in the same direction and then cross them over. Twist, cross over, twist, cross over, twist, cross over. Okay, and now that I'm at the bottom where I only have a few inches of hair left, I'm gonna take that 2-strand twist, turn it into a 3-strand braid. Not doing it all the way down, just a few pieces. And then I'm just gonna let it go. These aren't gonna come out, especially since I added the braid at the end. I've done this before and not done the braids at the end, and still once I curl them, they like stay just fine. So, okay, 1 left. Okay, so then these are the twists all done before adding any curls or anything to the ends. So I'm gonna go boil some water. So then I'm taking my flexi rods and I'm just gonna wrap the hair around those and then just push them together. I split both sides into 2 pieces, so I did 4 flexi rods total. And then once those are all done, I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair back and use the Frontal Queen baby hair edge control to smooth out my edges really quickly. Once my edges are all done, I'm going to take this Trey Luxe mousse and just use that over mostly my scalp and then like the mid shaft of the twist. And then I'm going to use these wrap strips to tie everything down to set it all in place. And while that's setting, I'm going to go ahead and dip the ends of my hair to get the curls. I love doing the dipping part of braiding and twisting because everything just loosens up and there's more movement afterwards. So yeah, I'm doing that, taking those out, just unwinding them, and I get these perfect cute little curls. Super easy. Then after a little bit, I go ahead and cut the wrap strips off, and you can see how sleek the edges are. Everything looks nice and smooth and set into place, and that pretty much is it. But of course, I had to go a few days later and come back and show y'all how the hair looks with the face on. And yeah, that's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like, leave a comment, and make sure that you subscribe. And let me know if y'all have any requests for other protective styles for the summer. I feel like I should do like a little series. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in my next one.